Okay, guys, we had a beautiful opportunity throughout this week, and of course, we had some beautiful trades throughout this week, and of course, I am really happy we are able to take part in all these trades. So we will be checking them out one after the other, and right there, I will also be using it as an opportunity to share with you how I came up with each of the signals, so that you too can also learn and know how to generate your trading signals on your own. So if you have been looking for a strategy that can help you to generate profitable signals on daily basis, then you need to watch this video to the end. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight to what we have right here. So guys, I made use of all my platforms, including the Telegram channel, okay, to dish out signals on different assets throughout this week, and I'm really happy that we are able to achieve success, okay, with all the signals, okay. So there are some assets that give us more profits because we're able to trade on them multiple times, while there are some that we only traded them once in this week, okay. So now let's check them out one after the other. And of course, I'm starting with GainX 1200. Okay, GainX 1200 happened to be a signal that has given us more profit in this week, because I remember we first of all milked it right from here to this very end. And when it got there, okay, this is a recent settings. I think we had this yesterday, okay. So we came in at this point, have our stop loss right here, entry point right here, and we have some TPs highlighted for us right here, okay. And of course, as you can see, we've achieved first TP, second TP, and third TP. Just that we are yet to achieve the rest. That is the fourth, fifth, and probably the sixth, okay. However, it is having a pullback right now because of this, okay. That is why it is having a pullback. So this region is pushing it backward right now, okay. So I'm still expecting it to come back down and break out below this and give us more profit right from there. So guys, that is for gainx 1200. And of course, you can see how profitable this is already, okay. So if you had come in here and try to achieve this first three TPs, this should have given you 18,763 points. Okay, that's a lot of profit on its own. That's so amazing, guys. Now let's check out GainX 999. This is also another opportunity which we actually took advantage of. Okay, it all started from this support zone, just like you have known. Okay, in case you guys are wondering how we are able to get all these profitable trades easily. Okay, we only had to leverage on a strategy which have been working for us, which is the trend trading strategy. And of course, we only need to follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, that is what it means. So in this situation, this has actually got into the support zone, and it was unable to break out from there. So it switched back into an uptrend. You can see my custom main indicator changing from red to yellow, since it's unable to break out from here, and gave us a buy signal at this point, which is the blue arrow. Okay, so you know when this has actually got into, I mean, when since it has changed into an uptrend, so the only signal you should follow is a buy signal, and not that it's changing to an uptrend alone. This change, I mean, the switching that happened there happened around the support zone, and you should know that it is always good to start buying from the support zone, most especially if it is a major support zone. And right here is this major support zone. So it is a good one. It is a good buy. However, do you know that it can also break out below this support zone and still sell more? Okay. So because I said it is always good to buy from the support zone does not mean it cannot break out below the support zone. But in this situation, it didn't break out. So since there is no breakout, then it is cool for us. The right thing for us to do is just to follow the signal that supports the trend, which is a buy signal which supports an uptrend. So we add our setup at this point, entry points. We use our stop loss, our support zone as our stop loss. And of course, we have some TPs highlighted for us. Okay, TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved. And right there, I said, I will advise us that, we should look out for this. Okay, if it breaks out from there, good, it means it's going to buy more. And if it does not, we may likely have a pullback before trying it out again. And as you can see, it broke out above it and of course gave us more TPs. TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved, TP5 achieved, and it is even still buying, guys. So this is amazing, just that it is approaching a major resistance zone right now. Let's do our calculations, guys. Let's do our calculations to the last TP. This is um this is 62,778 points. Okay, we had a major pullback around there. Okay, but it still went back to achieve our last TP, and that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, so this is so unique. I don't know if you truly understand all these things. I am very sure you will definitely get the best out of the market. Okay, now let's check out PNX 1200. This is Paynex 1200, and of course, this also gave us a lot of profits. Okay, so as you can see, we had our entry points right here. We had our stop loss at the top, and it achieved all the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but right now it's trying to go back on uptrend. Okay, so we missed out on the uptrend signal, so it has been moving within this region. So if it's unable to break out from here, so I'm expecting it to come down again and sell till it gets to this region again. So this is it. Okay, so that is how it works. Now let's check out PayNext 999. Okay, this is PayNext 999. As you can see, this has been moving in this form. Okay, so I gave us the setup, stop loss, entry point. It has been triggered. Some TPs highlighted. It is yet to achieve all the TPs. Okay, so TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have actually been milking it like this. Okay, so it has been going on and off this way because this is ranging within this region. Okay, so we have actually been milking it like that for a while, and right now it has gotten to this top and of course selling right now. So I expect it to get to this particular spot. I expect it to get to somewhere here, if not here. Okay, so that is it. So this is still selling at the moment, just the way we are seeing it. So we can also take advantage of it right from there. So the last asset which we will be checking out is going to be FX volume 80, and of course, let me bring it out a bit so that we will get to see what is happening. So I actually analyzed this asset. We actually started trading this asset 2 days ago. I gave us this signal, and of course, when it got to this region, we missed out from there when it switched into a downtrend. But when we had this pullback, I gave us an entry point and I gave us a stop loss at this point. And of course, I highlighted some TPs for us. Okay, so TP 1, 2, 3, and 4. However, it took its time to play around there for a while, so that is why it took more than the normal required time for it to finish up with all the TPs. Okay, so you can see it playing around there. I still updated my video on this yesterday, telling us that this has been playing around there, but we are still hoping that it's going to sell. As at yesterday, it was at the upper part of the channel. So I told us that it's going to sell and it will get to this lower part of the channel. If it does not break out from there, then it will go back up. But if it breaks out from there, then it will help us to achieve our last TP. As you can see, our last TP has just been achieved right now. Okay, so right now we have TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, and the last TP, which is TP4, achieved. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. So you can imagine you being in the market for like 2 to 3 days, and you are not just in market, you are in market making profit. So that is the beautiful part of it. So that is why you need to understand the art of trading the trend. Okay, so once you understand this very well, then you will be able to say, uh, you will be able to determine the movement of the market and also know how to place your trade in such a way that you will be able to protect your capital in order for you to make more profit. And as you are making more profit, you will also be able to protect your profit even as you are trading. Okay, so this is all about trend trading strategy. You just need to follow the signal that supports the trend. It is as easy as that. I will be stopping right here. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. My details is in the description box below this video. I will be there to reply you. Okay, if you are yet to join my Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. The link is also there within the Telegram. Within the description box, or probably check out the pin down message. You're going to see it there. I will be stopping right there. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.